Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a project management Gantt chart in Google Sheets. So here you can just first open the spreadsheet page docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and here just use the Gantt chart template on the Google Sheets. So since I already use one, so I'm going to just click on this Gantt chart, but if you cannot find it in here, you can just click on the template gallery. So let's click on the template. So after the Gantt chart template is open, you can just modify it by your own projects. This is the tip. So a Gantt chart visual timeline allows you to see details about each task as well as project dependencies. So here you can just modify it. So for example, here I'm going to just change the title Gantt chart project uh, ABC, for example. And after that, here you can change the title. I'm going to just change it into project ABC, and here you can also change the project manager, the company's name, and the date. So the date here, you can change it into this date. For example, I'm going to change it into 2024. Today's date, for example, and here you can also change the date from this or in here start the start date and also due date. You can also change the timeline as depending on your own projects. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.